Tacos, all one.
Maybe because we were at a high speed and we never stopping. Are you on a cruise control? Nah.
No,
I see that. Tacos.
I'm gonna say
See,
something.
I told you.
Good morning. We are in Las Cruces, New Mexico. Las Cruces, the crosses. We are heading to Arizona today. First complimentary breakfast. So the whole motel has this little back area here. It's just like desert and mountains and stuff. Well, we are in the desert, but you know. And this light is really pretty, so I'm gonna try to see if I can get some shots here before we get on the road. If a trip is not specifically for photography, it's a little hard to get those little times to go out and shoot because you don't want to like burden the people you're with that. So you gotta make do with what you have. This is the view. I don't know how I'll get down there, but I will find a way. We're gonna do a pit stop at Walmart before we head out.
Can we open the...
Yeah, hold on.
Oh, wait.
It should be open now.
Oh.
We're talking about samurai. Yeah. Ryan's a samurai. Oh, unagi!
Oh, but in my country, we teach patience.
I'm gonna get something.
We never hit a girl in my country. Unless they're ugly.
So mean. Guys, please don't dislike my video. Ryan has problems and I am not responsible for them.
Disclaimer.
I think it's what we're reducing speed. Oh! Alright, so there's some weird, crazy now. There's some weird noise and it only happens when Lamari talks and me apparently.
Tacos, all one.
Maybe because we were at a high speed and we never stopping. Are you on cruise control? Nah.
No,
I see that. Tacos.
I'm gonna say
See,
something.
I told you.
You
recording? Yeah. Oh, put a pause there.
Anybody want to run out and check the tires? Lock the doors. Okay.
Maybe that's what it is.
My car doesn't have power locks. I don't know how I don't know how that stuff works, man. No. Oh, maybe it's like a sensor?
Alright.
Maybe there's a malfunction. Joshua was pranking us this whole time with the stupid beeping noise and Sam knew about it. So you guys were like pranking me, Michelle, and Lamari? Yeah, pretty much. So because everybody else knew. Okay, alright. Okay, cool. We got you. I don't know what we got because I'm not good at pranks, but we got you. Quick stop in Belen, New Mexico. Pee-pee break. But I'm gonna go see if I can get a cool time lapse here. Today we're trying to go to the Painted Forest and the the Painted Desert and the Petrified Forest. So if we don't make it, we don't make it, or not like that. I mean, we want to make it, but if we don't go there, we might not. Today's kind of a less strict on the schedule day. We just kind of want to get into Arizona. We have an Airbnb in Flagstaff, and then tomorrow we're gonna go to the Grand Canyon. Hi, doggies. Oh, you guys are so cute. I don't know. Okay, I'm sorry. Do it. Yo, seriously, what do New Mexico bugs have? Because they're just like very juicy. Shepherd. We are switching spots because I'm falling asleep. So it's so windy, we almost lost our park pass. It flew out of the van, and I keep missing this stuff. I'm just gonna keep rolling. So windy. That pass was like $80 and we almost lost it. Alright, Kia Sedona inventors, this is the worst plank thingy. You should have automated the seat, just saying. So we are at Puerto Pueblo. It has some, I'm so sorry if you can't hear me, but I'll put subtitles if that's the case. It has some ruins and whatnot, so we're just going to kind of explore. Okay, so
We could be like in their patio.
oh yeah, okay, so are we not allowed to go in there? No, it's just stay on the trail. Okay, so these are the ruins. This is newspaper rock. I don't know why it's called that, but we're gonna find out. So you can't see it, but they're basically petroglyphs on the rock, and that's why it's called newspaper rock, newspaper something. Oh, look at the petrified wood, guys. You see those little the little turds on the thing? Those petrified wood.
Why is it randomly there? But the tag's not on here, it's just this.
Oh my
goodness!
Oh dang!
Area beyond the sign closed. Do not enter.
It must be a parking around.
Go over there, I think.
Man, you think this is great to wait till the Grand Canyon, right?
Yes.
Oh my God!
Dang.
He's parking.
Where's the
Is that the one that lady circled?
She said it was this. You go around. So we have to keep going in the loop. See the line? Oh, okay. That's where it is.
Okay.
So maybe it is up there with that other.
So we're about to hike this right here. You know, pictures and videos just don't do this justice. So here you go.
You're not gonna talk to me.
Oh, so I'm just gonna say like, yeah, because you guys are gonna be able to hear me when we're hiking. It's so windy. So this is basically what we're gonna hike, and it's just beautiful.
Wow. Teepees. Oh, teepees. Like,
Abby just lost her hat. It's like so. Oh, there's a little path. There's a safe way. editing.
Alright guys, I'm sorry that this vlog is mostly music, but the wind is annoying. So I hope you like the pretty views. And I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, say bye.
Bye.
Bye.